Good morning, dear students. Today we'll study about mole concept. Children, in this video, those things which are told, please try them at your home. Study at home. Do not forget them. Okay? So, we'll start our mole concept today. Children, I had told you before also about mole concept. What is mole and how we calculate the number of moles. Today we'll do again. Suppose we have to calculate mass of one apple. It means it is 1 multiplied by mass of apple. And what is mass of 2 apples? 2 multiplied by mass of apple. And number of apples, what are you doing? Number of apples you are multiplying by mass of apple. So you are getting total mass of the apples. Suppose you have one basket of apples, so you will calculate total mass by multiplying the number of apples by the mass of one apple. So this is the way of calculating the mass of apples. But if we have to calculate the mass of atoms or molecules, then what we do, when we have to calculate the number of moles, so we have one formula that whatever given mass is there, given mass equals to number of mole multiplied by molar mass. Number of mole means number, counting number. Okay, so given mass equals to number of mole, how many you are counting into molar mass. And now, so if you have to calculate number of moles, what formula you get? Number of mole equals to given mass upon molar mass. And what is given mass? The mass which is given in the question. And what is molar mass? The gram atomic mass or atomic mass in grams. Now, number of moles is denoted by small n, given mass is denoted by small m, molar mass is denoted by capital M. So, our formula becomes small n equals to small m upon capital M. So, this is the formula of calculating the number of moles. But you will have to know one more formula. Okay, that is, first of all, we will see 1 dozen. If you are saying, what does 1 dozen say? 12 bananas. How many, if you have to calculate how many dozens in 48 bananas? In 12 bananas, 1 dozen. So in 48 bananas, the number of, how are you calculating? Number of dozens equals to total number of bananas divided by number of bananas in 1 dozen. So total bananas are 48 upon number of bananas in 1 dozen 12. So number of dozens equals to 4. So this is the method of calculating the number of dozens. Same way, if you have to calculate the number of moles, you know that what is 1 mole. Like if 1 dozen is 12 bananas, same way 1 mole is 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 particles. So here what it will become? Number of moles equals to given number of particles upon the Avogadro number. Okay, given number of particles upon number of particles in 1 mole, and number of particles in 1 mole is called Avogadro number, and that is equals to 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23. So we have, this is second formula. So till now you have learned 2 formulae. Number of moles equals to given mass upon molar mass, and number of moles equals to given number of particles upon Avogadro number. And always remember, Avogadro number is 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23. So what formula is this? Number of moles equals to given number of particles upon Avogadro number. Number of moles is denoted by N. Given number of particles denoted by capital N. Avogadro number denoted by N0. So what formula it is? N equals to N upon N0. So one formula you learnt, number of moles equals to given mass upon molar mass. And second formula you learnt, number of moles equals to given number of particles upon Avogadro number. So number of moles equals to given mass upon molar mass. When mass is given, okay, mass is given, then you use this formula. And if given number of particles are given, then you use this formula. Number of moles equals to given number of particles upon Avogadro number. So molar mass, this you know, atomic mass in grams, and given mass, if you have, either you have to calculate by this formula given mass or number of moles, and in second one either you have to calculate number of moles or given number of particles. Any one will be given, and Avogadro number you know, and in above formula molar mass you know, and either mass will be given or number of moles you will have to calculate, or number of moles will be given, mass you will have to calculate. First formula is N equals to M by M, and second formula is N equals to N upon NO. It means both are equal. Why they both are equal? Because both represent number of moles. So both can be written as M upon M equals to N upon NO, because both are equal. That's why they can be written as like this. Now in next video we will study more.